Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and in today's video we have given this Olympiad math problem where we have 2 power x which is equal to 64 and divided by x. German, can you solve this one? Let's provide the solution very quickly, and of course here you have to copy what you have 2 power x which is equal to 64 over x. And of course the same thing here, we are going to apply logarithm on both sides, where logarithm of 2 power x will be logarithm of 64 over x. Then at this stage we have x logarithm of 2 is equals to, and here we are going to form another rule, which is logarithm of the number we have of the fraction is going to be subtraction, where we get logarithm of 64 minus logarithm of x. And then this, we can change the position of this logarithm of negative logarithm of x and across this equal sign to get x logarithm of 2, then plus logarithm of x will be logarithm of 64. Right at this stage we have x logarithm of 2, then plus logarithm of x, which is equal to logarithm of 2 to the power of 6, because 64 is equal to 2 to the power of 6, and x logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of x will be 6 logarithm of 2. At this stage, x logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of x will be, this 6 can be written as 4 plus 2, then times logarithm of 2. Then of course x logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of x will be 4 logarithm of 2 plus 2 logarithm of 2. As you have seen nicely here, we shall get here x logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of x will be 4 logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 2 squared, right? Then here we shall say x logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of x will be 4 logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 4, and the condition, this x must be the same. We have 4 and have 4, we can compare each side. X logarithm of 2 to be equal to 4 logarithm of 2 for here, that is, we shall divide logarithm of 2 and divide logarithm of 2 to get x which is equal to 4. And here we shall equalize this one and this. Logarithm of x will be logarithm of 4, divide logarithm, get x which is equal to 4. And of course here you have to check if the answer we have got, if it is correct, because we have given 2 power x is equal to 64 over 4. So 2 power over x, 2 power x, this is 2 power 4 equals to 64 over 4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16, and 64 is equal to 16, and they are equal. to mean that the value we have seen, have got, that is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.